Today we're gonna review the Hyper Tough 12 volt max 3-in-1 cordless drill. The drill itself has a quarter-inch hex bit holder and comes with a battery, 12 volt battery, and a charger. And here's the port for the charger. Sorry, I'm running out of hands, so it's easy to plug in and unplug. It also comes with a 3/8 inch keyless chuck attachment and a quarter-inch hex right angle attachment, and it comes with a quick start instructions and a full instruction manual. I think this drill is a must-have for so many reasons, and for starters, it's cordless, so you no longer have to worry about finding a power outlet on your job site, and you don't have to worry about tangled up cords, extension cords. You just grab it and go wherever the work is. The second thing is the battery, the design. It's a compact design. It has a lot of features, so people who designed this tool thought well about it and spent a lot of time on it. So like I said, the design is compact. You can see how small it is. It's almost like holding a little mallet with a short handle. The battery helps with the compact design. It's also small. It fits right into the handle, and it only fits one way, so just match the tab with the cutout, and the mounting is easy. And just push with one hand, and then you press on the tabs, and then the battery slides out. So very compact, but very easy to mount and dismount the battery. The handle is coated with rubber, which is textured and has grooves in it, and all of that helps make the grip solid, so no sliding. The drill also has a little plate on top for this is a magnetic plate to hold the extra bits, so you don't have to worry about losing them, like so. So it just, and then you don't have to worry about the bits falling off. It also has a practical belt clip. It's metal, solid, but yet flexible. So it's flexible but solid. The drill also comes with a an LED light in case you're working in a dark area. And if you just press slightly on the trigger, it almost works like a flashlight. And then there's a battery indicator that gives you a heads up as your battery runs low. So green means full, red means low. The last thing is the form is the colors. I think that's just a bonus. I like the black, gray, and red combination. Matches the name, Hyper Tough. As far as the function, I think this tool is loaded. I forgot to mention that the drill bit holder is magnetic, so you don't have to worry about the bit falling off. It has 2 speeds that you can switch with a toggle switch. It has a torque adjustment wheel, so goes from 1 all the way to 19, and then a drill set in as well. And then they have the forward, reverse button, so it's easy, thumb, index use, so very easy to maneuver. There is a position in the middle, well, kind of a brake, so and in the middle you got a brake position where it doesn't work, so it doesn't accidentally move. As we said, the drill comes with a 1/4 inch bit holder, but it has a 3/8 inch keyless chuck attachment, and to put it on, all you have to do is pull back on this ring and then slide it on. So you just pull back, and then it slides. It looks a little bit difficult because I'm using one hand, but it really isn't. If you're using 2 hands, it should be very, very easy. So you just pull back, you just pull back and slide it in there, and that's it. And then to pull it out, you just pull back and it slides out. Pull the ring back and it slides in. The other attachment is the 1/4 inch right angle. So we'll remove this and put this in. Same way, pull on the ring and then the attachment slides right in. Now this one has some blocks, some plastic blocks. You see them? Now these blocks have to fit in here. Has to fit inside these blocks or these grooves. Now that helps with the eliminating any play once it's assembled, but it also helps with the rotation or angle. You can angle the head however you'd like. So you can fit this way, you can fit this way. So you have a position on top. So you see, as you can see, now you can do a job if the screw is upright, or trying to place the screw and you don't have room to come at it from the top, just rotate it down like so, and then push it in by pulling the red tab or red ring, and voila. I think this drill is worth the investment. It has a lot of options, a lot of features, a lot of great features. Solid grip, it's compact, the magnetic plate, the 19, almost 20 torque settings. It comes with attachments, and to me this feature here is one of the best ones, because it makes drilling, it opens up so many options for work, so many areas where you can't use a regular drill because you don't have enough space this way. You just use this angle, right angle attachment, and the job is done. And the thing is, you have 8 positions where you can position this attachment. So down, up, depending on your situation, that would come in handy. So all in all, I think it's a thumbs up on this drill. I think it's worth the investment. Good luck.